me!
Be clear. I tried fixing US-Canada relations today, but Trump sent them a buy one wall, get one free coupon.
Wrong. I only said Canada should be the 51st state because their maple syrup is fantastic. Better than Biden's entire economy.
Donald, even your Wi-Fi doesn't want to connect with you. It keeps saying unstable connection, just like your policies.
Fake news. My policies are stronger than Elon Musk's 3 a.m. tweets.
Gentlemen, relax. If Canada wanted drama, they'd watch her TikToks, not your government's.